put them on all four? If you want, I mean, I feel like that'd be easier.
I mean, I don't. It's just the back.
What is good, YouTube family? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Bobby. Got my boy Carlos here today.
Yep.
Today we're gonna be trying to install lower control arms in his Subaru BRZ. The reason we are installing this is because, I mean, he already has lower control arms, but they're not as adjustable as these are.
For stance.
Yeah, for stance, because I don't know if you guys probably seen this car in the videos before, but his car is on bags. And he has some really nice wheels, but he's running into some rubbing issues. Right? You can't go lower?
I can, but it just rubs too much.
It rubs. So basically this is gonna help camber the car so that he can air out, basically. Hopefully. We tried this before and we completely failed. we gave up after like not even 10 minutes, man. Like the bolts were impossible to take off, but no excuses today. We're not gonna be little hoes. Look at that. Holy crap, bro. This is from rubbing?
Yeah.
Yo. Nah, bro. You gotta get that fixed.
Yeah.
You bought a jack, right? Nah. You needed it? I thought this would have done. What do you need the jack for?
Let me see this. Alright, so he has these right now. Those gold looking things. But they're not adjustable like I said before.
They don't adjust far enough.
Yeah. Hold on.
Yeah.
I don't think that will work. Oh, maybe. Nah, I think it's the same.
It's the same.
Yeah, you just lowered it onto that. This thing is mad dirty.
Hold on. Let me take that music off.
I can't ask music. Yo, what you be listening to, my dude?
Well, it's Queen King.
Yo, my boy be in love? You in love, bro?
I'm hanging halfway off the last time's the most valuable, actually. So I'ma call my favorite
just confusing.
girl and she gon' bring that ass for me.
Hey, you don't know which way to go, right?
Text the room number right now, so you ain't gotta hit the front desk and go ask for me.
Bro, I'm telling you this shit. I hate this shit.
I realize when it comes to girls,
My boy knows things.
me play more than anatomy. She mad at me, stepping back.
Well, I look professional, right?
Yeah. On the road more than a dealer. They call
Yeah, that's
me
the leak.
Young Thug nigga. 24 bands, my
It still sounds good, right?
Yeah, hell yeah. Even with that leak.
Are you good?
Damn, look at that rust, man. My boy's got an exhaust leak right there. Still sounds
Low life.
Maybe a smaller size? Oh, you hit yourself?
Yeah.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm good. Oh shit, I think I got this one.
For real? Hey!
I
just had it.
Are you making it tighter?
Oh shit.
Yeah, I think you might have. This nigga's a clown.
Yeah, it was. Oh shit, I got it.
You got it? There you go, boy. This nigga's even tighter.
That shit hurt. This is perfect.
So basically, this is 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. This bolt right here is a B, and so is this one. Because you gotta try to get back there, which is kind of hard. Oh, it's almost out. Hey,
Throwback.
oh, let me bring out that Spanish. So now you're jacking that so that you can get to the bolt.
Move the
control arm.
Alright, leave it. Better? Yeah, that's perfect.
Hell yeah.
This is the one that needs to come out. Turn it. There we go.
Hey, that's that teamwork, boy.
There we go.
You got it?
Yeah. See, that's how you need 2 people.
Yeah, facts.
Squad. This shit fell right in my fucking mouth.
This nigga, bro. You gotta keep them in order so that you don't know.
Yeah.
When you're putting them back, you know what you're doing. Yo.
This is the last one, bro.
That's the hardest one.
Yeah. But we can move it more now.
Yeah.
Money changing, people coming, people going, acting strange, I'm aggravated.
Yep.
Got it? Hey, my nigga.
I could taste it, I could chase it, back down with liquor. I could drown in myself, but I.
Alright, so which do you think we should put first? This or the ball joint? The ball joint, right? Because you can move it.
Yeah, I think so.
Alright, so these are PBM. I think they camber your car -4 degrees. Well, if you get the stance LCAs, they're like -6. So, but these are, I don't need that much camber. So,
And we're gonna use the OEM,
the OEM studs, whatever.
whatever these things are called. These things.
I think they're studs.
Yeah, studs.
Oh, see?
Hey, yo. So you gotta adjust it.
Yeah.
Make it the same size as the stock.
Gotta hold this so it won't move, like you said.
okay.
So like that.
Yeah. And then you use this to make it
To tighten it.
it so that it won't move.
Extra secure.
So yeah. Yeah, you can do it from that side.
Alright, so it has to be.
But this has to be further out.
Yeah.
Just use like a long, something that's long that you can put through the holes, and then make those line up, and then you gotta make the head line up to this piece, this is the OEM piece.
Yeah. Alright, so
That way when you put it in the car, it fits right. Alright, so my boy Carlos, basically he set up the bolts how he wanted it, or how it's supposed to go, and then all that's left is just putting it on.
hopefully
the
you have the right length.
car.
I
Yeah,
should, right?
yeah, that looks about right.
That's pretty good.
It's tight.
This one. No. Look, this was not the plastic right here. It's not letting me. It's not length. You think that's good? No. That's all it goes? A little. Almost. There we go. Jesus fuck. Good thing I brought you, bro. Niggas brought.
Damn, nigga. Who needs a gym?
Nobody really influenced me, you know what I'm saying?
Holy
Just
crap.
tired of being on the streets, you know what I'm saying? Had to get up off.
One side is done. We just gotta tighten it.
Thank God. Kids,
Officially installed.
probably got one side in. Man, that's why you guys get a legit Jag, man. That crap was mad hard to hold up. But it's finally in there, yo.
How beautiful our kids will be, girl. I don't need convincing.
Hell yeah.
How every conversation starts with this time will be different now. Oh, the idea is fun.
Alright, yo, so after a while, we were able to finish the first side. He just finished bolting on all the bolts and stuff. We're about to get started on the other side. I'm not really gonna record it because it's the same thing.
Yeah.
It's basically the same thing. Yeah, and we're trying to rush through it because it took us hella long to do that one side. So we're gonna rush through the second part, man, and then we'll end the video after that.
Yeah.
Finally, my nigga. Damn. This literally took us what, 3 hours?
Every day I need an ounce and a
Yeah, but this last one was way easier.
Yeah, we took less time.
Because we knew what we were doing.
Listen, kid, I need a mount
That's it, man.
so I can roll
If I ever gotta do this to my car, I already should know.
to the ass. I get high 'cause I
We just finished. He's just putting the wheels on right now. Let me just show you guys what it looks like. That's what it looks like on both sides. Looks pretty clean. But the main purpose of it is so that he won't rub as much. But you guys probably won't get to see that because he has to get it aligned first. Which is highly recommended after you install anything that has to do with your suspension. But it wasn't hard. It was more annoying than anything. It took us a long time, but it's because we both didn't really know what we were doing. And hey, buddy, how you doing? We both didn't know what we were doing, but once we got it, the other side was super easy to do, and we did it probably like 45 minutes, maybe even less. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and hopefully this helps you guys out if you're installing these in your car. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comment, and be sure to check out his Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. Anything to say, yo?
No one talks shit. That was man.
Yo.
Yo.
Oh yeah, cause this nigga was messing up the whole time. Alright, later guys. Peace.
So what are you about to do?
I'm just gonna install these cannons real quick. We're gonna go fight some pirates.
Who are you?
First you wanna put them on the racks. That's what she said.